You're 22, two at a hand. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, babe. You're 22, two at a hand. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, babe. 22 going on 23. You look pretty there when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what I mean to be loved. You're 22, two.
Yeah, we stay litty. Fuck where you from, you ain't fucking with my city. Put that shit on, we rockin' J True Religion.
Back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amarachi, and I'm back with another video. So guys, in today's video, you can be spending my Saturday with me. Everything I'm going to be doing today, I have a list of things to do today. I have my laundry to wash, I have to cook, I have to clean up, to mop, wash the bathroom, and shower later. And also in the evening, I'm also planning on taking a long walk. Yeah, so that's my plans for today, and you guys are gonna be sticking with me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a like, subscribe, comment if you do, and let's get right into the video.
I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. That as you walk, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fist full of diamonds, a head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love
p.m. Fine for your fucking hair. Too honey for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair. 8 p.m. See your DM. You fucking hair. Too early for your fucking nails. Choose to wear. So I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress. So bring your ass up.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear the pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, Te amo, that she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, Te amo. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, Te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Te amo. She's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, danced in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, Te amo. That she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, Te amo. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, Te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Listen, we can dance. You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. And she said, Te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, Te amo. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, Te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. I love you. Te amo, te amo.
Stevie BB's. He's home.
deep.